Fascinated by simple portfolios? What if I told you one fund could do most of the things your portfolio is trying to do? A viewer of the channel pointed me to the new index which was released by NSE on Feb 10th, 2026. And this is an index with immense potential. Tax efficient, lower fees, best risk adjusted returns, and a no clutter portfolio. So I tested this index against other major indices. The index is Nifty LargeMidcap 250 plus 8-13-year G-Sec 70-30 index. Thankfully, only the name is complex. I'm panting for breath trying to read this fund name out. Now, how does this fund perform? Would it be Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 500? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And a quick look at the structure. The structure of the fund is so simple. 70% in Nifty 250 large mid cap index and 30% in 8 to 13 year G-Sec bonds. And this is my most loved aspect about this index. I know clearly 70% is in equities, 30% is in debt. So it is easy to know my portfolio's volatility. And for all practical purposes, I would consider this or classify this as an equity fund. To test the effectiveness, we will be looking at 15 years of data. Friends, take a look at this volatility data. As expected, the hybrid index wins the round hands down. This is like getting an equity exposure with some debt fund like volatility. Now let us look at the 15-year CAGR. And I'll give you another good news about the fund after you watch the CAGR. Clearly, the fund has beaten Nifty 50, Nifty 100 equal weight TRI and Nifty 500. And as one would expect, it lags behind the pure Nifty 250 large cap index fund. Look at the risk adjusted returns indicated by the Sharpe ratio and the Sortino ratios. There isn't any pure equity index fund which comes anywhere near this. And the best news of all this so far, since this is a hybrid index fund, I could only get a price return from NSE, whereas the rest of the returns are actually TRI, total return index, meaning the hybrid fund potentially can give another 1 to 2% in returns. Now, do you want to hear a shocker? Something which is so very counterintuitive? Keep watching. Let us compare the SIP returns of these funds now. We saw the CAGR was higher, but look at the SIP returns, friends. The hybrid still beats Nifty 50, but trails every other index in SIP returns. Wait, what? Surprised? Take a moment to understand this very well, friends. This happens because volatility is actually a friend of SIP. If you have two funds with the same CAGR but different volatility, your chances of creating higher wealth through SIP is from the fund which actually has higher volatility. Let that sink in. Because this volatility gives you a chance to add more units at lower prices when the markets fall. So while we all like the comfort of linear, smooth returns, they can actually hurt you while you go for SIP. Essentially, volatility helps you build wealth. Do we need a bigger lesson than this? And it doesn't stop here. There is another big advantage of this fund, which I didn't tell you yet. The taxation. You are able to get 30% exposure to debt here, and the withdrawals are taxed at 12.5% and not 30% tax. Now you've seen the SIP returns, the volatility, the maximum drawdowns, etc. Who can use this fund? This index fund is absolutely brilliant for first-time investors, someone who is close to retirement, needing equity exposure, or even somebody who finds equity volatility too scary to tolerate. And this fund is a great fund for goals which are like 5 to 6 years away in a very tax efficient manner. If a single index fund has to take care of your portfolio, then this fund can be the one fund portfolio for you. Add some gold, silver, and you have the most tax efficient portfolio out there with the least expense ratio. If you want to be a bit adventurous and a little bit more control over your portfolio, then this video on 4 fund portfolios might be of interest to you. Uncomplicate your portfolio, friends. Complexity doesn't give you better returns. Being simple is not too complex if we choose it. If you want to understand a portfolio creation process end to end, then I suggest watching this particular video where I explain the same in real detail.